You opened social media. Someone bought a new house. Someone got promoted. Someone looks happier than you. Your mood suddenly changes. Without any warning, you start questioning yourself. Am I falling behind? Why is everyone succeeding? Except me. This feeling has a name. Social comparison theory. Psychologist Leon Festinger introduced it in 1954. He discovered something fascinating. Your brain naturally evaluates by comparing with others. Because your ancestors lived in small tribes, survival depended on status and knowing your place. Comparing skills meant survival. Better hunters inspired learning. Stronger leaders offered protection. Your brain rewarded comparison because it improved survival. But modern life changed. Your brain didn't. Here's what almost nobody realizes. Your brain compares highlights against your private reality. That's never a fair comparison. Research by Thomas Gilovich shows people overestimate how much others notice their lives and success. Social media makes this worse. Algorithms reward perfection, not ordinary moments. AI now creates perfect-looking photos and videos, making comparisons even harder. Your brain treats them like everyday reality, even when they aren't. The healthiest comparison is with your past self, not someone else's timeline. Growth isn't a race. It's a direction. You're not failing. Your ancient brain is using old survival rules in a digital world that profits from comparison. Understanding this changes everything. You don't need to become someone else. You only need to keep growing. We decode the mind. Subscribe for more.